Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So in today's video we have an unboxing from Forever Dipped because I wanted to try her candles. Remember all that time that I've been reviewing her products and showing them off and unboxing them? I kept saying I want her to make candles or wax melts with her scents. So she has candles and she is still working on wax melts, I believe, because I've seen her post them on her Instagram. And she's also working on other like skincare and bath stuff, and of course she's still doing dip powder. So I got some candles to try, and then when I messaged her, she said that she wanted to send me a couple of her bath products to try, so we're going to see what that is too. Hey guys, so editing Kayla here real quick. At the end of the video, there's going to be some bonus footage of Miles unboxing the Forever Dip package, so please check it out, support Miles, and give him a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for Miles. Bye. I already smell something that I think is minty. And she put it in a similar box that she put the, it was like the Bath Luxury set that I did an unboxing on, which I can link that video in the description box if you guys want to check that out. So, we have all kinds of goodies. Let me see the paper. I bought her herbal healing candle, her happy hour scented candle, and she does have wax melts. I forgot that I actually bought some. Her cafe latte wax melts. And of course I bought some more of my scrub because you guys know it's like my favorite from her. And so on my paper she wrote that she included a sample of melt and pour goat's milk soap, chocolate bar cupcake with frosting, not on the website yet, moon dust, a beautiful shimmer, I think that says purple, I'm not sure what that says, one of my first dips ever made, oh, okay, and then Hysteria. So Hysteria is a really popular dip glitter from her that I keep forgetting to buy. So thank you, Joyce, for sending that to me. We have a little card which is instructions for candle care, which I think that's awesome that she includes that. She does work in the healthcare department, so I think it's really good that she includes this. But it's just really good advice on how to burn candles safely, of course, because they can be an extreme fire hazard if you don't keep an eye on them. Then we have a little business card, treat yourself lavishly, and on the back it says thank you. And then I think she's rebranding her skincare line. She's calling it Forever Skin Tea, and it says thank you, it's always a good day to treat yourself. And then she has her social media information, which of course I will link all of her social media information down in the description box. Her Facebook group, her Facebook page, her Instagram, and her website, and her Etsy shop. First thing, we have a bag of these little candles, which I want to say this is supposed to be the, not the herbal healing one. Yeah, I think this is the herbal healing candles. Just little candles, which I'll have to light these later and kind of get, you can't really smell candles sometimes until they're lit. Okay, so this is so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is the Forever Skin Tea Natural Organic Skincare Chocolate Bar Cupcake Soap. So this is a soap. I'm going to have to open it out of the plastic so you can really see it, because it's so cute. So it's still in a little plastic wrap. I don't want to take it all the way out because I don't want it to start melting or anything yet, because of course I want to get pictures and stuff. But I will include a up-close little shot here. But it literally looks like a Reese cup at the bottom. And look at all that nice whipped cream. And then it has like a little chocolate bar and some pink sprinkles. This is so cute. And so that is a soap. And sometimes it's hard to smell these at first because they're all packaged together. And so the scents can kind of tangle together. But when I open this, I'll give it a good whiff. And then we have the Lemon Pound Cake Sugar Scrub. Of course, I bought some more of that. So I'm so glad I have more of that because I'm running really low on my other one. I have her Dip Powder Hysteria, which I'll include a up-close shot here. And like I said, I believe this is one of her best-selling dip powder glitters. It's so pretty. It's kind of got like a purplish tint to it. Then we have Forever Scented Candles. This is her Cafe Latte Coffee Latte Scented Hand-Poured Soy Wax Melt. And this is a 3-ounce thing. And it's packaged so perfectly. It literally looks like you would buy this right out of Walmart. And then on the back, she does have a warning wax melt safety on the back. So I really appreciate that. Let me see if I can open this and give this a... Ooh, look how cute it is. I'll have to include up-close shots of everything, you guys. But it actually looks like coffee grounds on it. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's kind of chocolatey. Like a chocolatey coffee taste or smell. Oh, it looks so cute. It looks like crushed up Oreos on the top of it. This one is Forever Scented Candles Tranquility Herbal Healing Hand Poured Soy Wax. So this is the herbal healing one. Maybe those two little ones. She might have included these. Maybe that's why they don't have a scent. I think she included these in case you have one of those wax melts that you have to burn a candle on. That's really nice of you, Joyce. Why didn't I think of that? You know how there's some like wax melts that you have to actually put a candle underneath it and burn the candle? I think that's why she included those. Because this is actually the herbal healing candles, which of course I'll have to include an up-close shot of as well. And she even put what state she's made it in. She's in Philadelphia. Let me see. Oh yeah. That is really good, like aromatherapy. And it's so cute. It has like the herbs sprinkled on top. That's going to be so relaxing, I can already tell. And she sent Moon Dust, which I'll show an up close of that, which is going to be a purple. And I think that this is going to go really well with Hysteria. So I really appreciate you sending me to that match. Have Sugar Mama Sugared Lemon Cake Scented Hand Poured Soy Wax Melt. So this is more of her melts. And she actually has a date on this, on the 7th. I guess that's when it was made. And then of course she has burning instructions on it. What, baby? Oh, it smells really good. Oh, yeah. That smells like a... What are those called? They're called like lemon bars or something. That smells so good. You want to smell? Smell it. It smells really good. You smell it? It smells like lemons. Look, did you see Mommy's chocolate cupcake soap? Isn't that cute? Yeah. You want to hold it? Don't open it though, okay? And then one more thing, which is packaged really cute. She has a thank you sticker. And this kind of feels like a big old candle too. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is, but it's so pretty. Hold on. Oh my gosh, are you serious? So this is the whiskey and cream candle. This is the happy hour scented one. And it's called Whiskey and Cream Hand Poured Soy Wax Candle. Look how cute the packaging is on this, you guys. I'm just going to include up-close pictures or up-close video clips because, oh my gosh. So the labeling is so cute. On the bottom it does have a warning label and burning instructions. And then the lid is like a rose gold finish that unscrews. And she has gold shimmer in the top. And it smells so, it really does smell like whiskey and cream. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This candle is so pretty. I seriously can't get over that. Wow. That is so cute. So I just first off want to say thank you, Joyce from Forever Dipped. And what's your new name? I keep forgetting it now. Forever Skin Tea. So let me go over again because you guys, you need to remember that I have a relationship with Joyce. I've worked with her so many times in the past. I'm not labeled technically as her ambassador. We just like exchange stuff sometimes. So I just want to reiterate that I purchased the Herbal Healing Candle, which is this one right here. It's so cute. And her packaging is always adorable. It's very homey-like. And then I purchased her Happy Hour Scented Candle, which is the whiskey and cream one. And the way that this one's made, like they're all cute, but I just wasn't expecting, I don't know, I wasn't expecting like the rose gold lid and the glitter, and it's got like a window so you can see the glitter, and like this just came out so perfect. And I purchased the Cafe Latte wax melts, which I just gotta smell this again because like this is like, you know how some chocolate smells are really artificial and it ends up smelling like Tootsie Rolls? Oh, that smells just so perfect. Oh, I can't wait. I don't know which one to try first. And then I also purchased, of course, some more of her sugar scrub because you guys know I use the crap out of her sugar scrub. Like, it's one of my top favorite products from her. So she sent me to try, which she told me she would send me a couple things to try. I didn't know what all she was sending me. I knew about the chocolate soap, but I didn't know she was going to send me dip powder and all that. So thank you so much, Joyce. So she did send me the chocolate cupcake soap to try. I did not purchase this. And she did send me the Sugar Mama sugared lemon cake. That's what it is, lemon cake. She sent me these wax melts to try. So I don't know, lemon scents are weird to me sometimes. Like, all of her lemon scents have been really good. But that just smells like a straight up dessert, man. I think Richard's going to really like this because Richard loves the lemon scents. And then she sent the two little, what are these called? Aren't they like called tea candles? And I believe that she sent these to go with if you buy her wax melts. I don't know if she always includes that, but I really appreciate that. I don't even remember. I think I have both type of wax melts. I think I have the kind with the light bulb and the kind that you can burn the candle to. So I appreciate that. And then she did send me the 2 dip powders. So we all know that purple's not my favorite color in the world, but her color Hysteria, the glitter, is a color that like I said, I keep forgetting to buy it, you guys. Sometimes when I go to buy stuff, I just get so excited, and then I just, like, my mind goes blank and I forget to include everything. Like, literally, I have 2 invoices because I forgot to put the sugar scrub on I was so excited to try the candles that I forgot to put the lemon sugar scrub in my cart whenever I bought it. So I told her, I messaged her, and I was like, I'm going to have to make another, like, I'm going to have to do it again because I forgot my sugar scrub. So I just keep forgetting to buy it. So even though purple's not my favorite, I know that I've been wanting Hysteria, and Moon Dust looks like it's going to match it really well. So I am excited to wear those. And then, of course, everything is packaged so perfectly, and her little cards are super cute. What, baby?
Mommy.
You got an eagle? So yeah, I just want to say thank you again, Joyce, for sending all this stuff to me to try, and I just died whenever I saw the happy hour one because it's just so pretty with, like, the little glitter in there. Yeah, but there you guys go. There's an unboxing. So she does have some wax melts. I'm still waiting on, like, the lemon, the sugar pound cake one. Why do I keep forgetting the name of it? Lemon pound cake. I'm waiting for this scent in a wax melt still, but this one is really good. It's not the same type of lemon scent, so if you have her lemon pound cake, this isn't the same, but this smells really good. So I think if you like the smell, you'd like this one. You want to smell it? It looks like a chocolate bar too, so that's really cute. But I do think you guys need to go on here, check out her candles, check out her wax melts. Let me reiterate that she said that the chocolate bar cupcakes are not on the website yet, but I know she's going to be putting them on soon. Just keep an eye out on her Instagram and her Facebook. And then Moon Dust, she said, is a shimmery purple, which is one of the first dip powders she ever made, so that should be on the site. I know Hysteria gets sold out very often, so if it's sold out, keep an eye on it to be restocked. And then I didn't realize that I just even like processed that this is goat's milk soap, so that's really cool. What, baby? You want to smell that one? Cupcake? So there you go. Again, I'll link all of her information in the description box. Thank you so much, Joyce, for all these things to try. And I do a lot of, like, mini updates on my Instagram stories, so I will probably be, like, showing these off more on Instagram stories and throughout telling you, like, what I think about the smell and the burn time and stuff. So you can also follow me on Instagram at Kayla's Nail Journal. I'll link all that down in the description box also. Thank you guys for watching. Come here and tell them bye. You want to say bye? Wave bye. Say subscribe. He's not going to participate. Bye-bye. What's the first thing you want to show the camera? Do you want to show them the cupcake? Pick it up.
You?
Yeah, show the camera the cupcake. Is that a yummy cupcake?
Yeah.
You don't eat it, though, because it's soap, right? Is it chocolate?
Yeah, I do like this.
Yeah, there's a piece of chocolate on it. What's the next thing you want to show the camera?
What? What?
Sprinkles?
Yeah, bitter. Huh? I'm not bitter.
You don't see the sprinkles?
This.
Dip powder?
Yeah.
Is it purple?
That. This. the bench.
Yeah. What else you want to show?
One.
You want to show one of the candles?
Okay.
Oh, the lemon one? Does it smell good? Yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah, and the cupcake's yummy.
Yeah, this yummy too.
That's right. What else do you want to show? You want to show this one? Is that the coffee one?
Yeah, this.
Do you want Mommy to open it for you so you can show the camera?
Yeah, this.
Look.
Whoa.
You want to smell it? Smell it. You can't eat it though. It's wax. Does it smell good?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, shut that one. Do you want to show them this candle?
No.
Oh, you like the cupcake soap, don't you?
Like this.
You don't want that one? Which one's your favorite?
That's my birthday.
The cupcake is your favorite? Yay!
Open.
Open. Well, I can't open it yet, okay? Because it's soap. It's not food, baby. One more thing.
Read this.
Oh, look at that nice candle.
Yeah.
Hold it with 2 hands so you don't drop it. Do you want to show them the glitter inside?
What?
No, look, see? There's glitter in it. You love the cupcake, don't you? Okay, we got to stop the video. You want to tell them bye?
No.
So you got to say thanks for watching.
There.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job, baby.